or pick Thai basil. It smells so good. Everything natural grow here, you know.
What's this?
This is the flower we're gonna use today for our krathong. In Thai we call ban mai ru roi. Ban is blossom. Mai ru roi like it never fall apart.
What was it all? Like the big ones up there, right?
Yeah, that's the pandan leaf.
Pandan leaf. This is the
Basil, holy basil. Yeah. Sawtooth coriander. And because I want you to learn from the texture, I won't give you a minute, but I'm trying to point. And when you see the color, you add this, you smell this, you add that. In case big a portion, you know, take different time. Electric stove and gas frying pan and wok different time. Because the material thick and thin, right? So you have to see getting there, right? Yeah. Add the last group so you get the sauce that goes on our cashew nut, not just for decoration. You get some taste, right? And now we're done. We put it in a serving plate. Is your right? Must be that right here. I have a rice. Yeah, rice. Is it colorful? You see that?
It's beautiful.
Beautiful. Good job. Yeah.
All that in 5 minutes.
You know, the only comment that I'm gonna say, I expect you cut the carrot like a fan, but you destroy my piece of ass. You see the white noodle here? Sorry, can I show you? Yeah. When you fry more veggie, like big portion, you see the glass noodle there? Yeah. If you flip them, you let them touch the hot wok. You see that? It cooked already, you see? Yeah. Like that. You can just mix. The glass noodle cook fast. That's why they add them at last. Do you have a big spoon of oyster sauce already? Can you dump one more in? I didn't see much color. The eggs. Where's your egg? Yeah. After this one dry, you add the egg. Don't add yet. Yeah, okay. You want to dry because otherwise you get egg froze.
Okay. With the liner?
Yeah, it's on. It's still on. See, like that. Put it down. See, it will come up.
Okay.
Noodle. Basil, high heat. Make it thick. Basil?
Yeah.
Basil. Okay.
Good. Now what?
Okay, good.
I've done nothing.
You're good. Don't rush. Take now. Quick. We're gonna do fast. Chili and garlic now.
Oh gosh.
Chili, garlic, and then chicken. Big leaf, a small leaf. You want? See that one? This morning, last night you see, we have krathong that look like a lotus, right? See? Like that. Same thing. 1, 2. You see? 1, 2. Can you see it? And then you can make it like that. Make sure that it's pointy, right? And then you can put it. You can have like that on around like a cloud. Like lower, on around. You can either make all around like that. It depends the design where how you're gonna put them. You can make it like that and you can make it like that. You see, you have a different idea, right? This is one thing. All right, I like to sew. So you have a needle here. When you put on that, we won't see it because we're gonna decorate with flower. You see? Yeah. And you wanna make it stay. Oh, you have to tie it.
Okay. Got the principle. Okay.
See that? 1. You see? 45. 2. You know? 90. 45. 90. See like that? You wanna make sure nice, and then you can fold on top. Then you make it sit like that.
Okay.
Yeah. You're so beautiful. Wow, look at that. Oh, I love the colors. I like your so classic, so beautiful. Look at that. I like white and yellow. Look at that. Classic. You really focus.
They do.
Yeah.
Oh, it's legit.
Beautiful.
Well, yeah, I didn't see it, but yeah, you do. And then they're burning, you know, the bodies by the gas.
Specific areas that they do this, or just throughout?
I don't know. Well, there's different gas. There's cremation gas.
Thank you, so beautiful. I love yours. Wow, I love that
Yeah, but
classic
like,
color.
they live there. I mean, they probably got a different.
Not necessarily.
No.
Hey, can you show me your krathong? So you two work together?
We work together. Yes. we
It's
do.
mostly him, but yeah.
No, it's teamwork.
Team beautiful krathong. Look at you two. ขอดูด้วยนะคะ สวยจังค่ะ beautiful สวยจังค่ะ สวยจัง สวยจัง I love the colors.
Unscrew these.
So good.
Yep. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. It's beautiful. Okay, now then we can bring them to float on the river. Don't forget to make a wedge, nah. Don't forget to make a wedge. Do you have a good time today? I hope. Thank you for joining us. I love all of you, Krathong. Thank you so much for joining us. ขอบคุณค่ะ
Better you than us. It's okay.